So check this beauty out, man. This paint has almost got like a pearl look to it, man. It is sweet. That white is just popping. And of course, the blue racing stripes with the red outlines, man, she's sweet. Like I said earlier, she was built at SEMA. So they really took their time and built something really special here, especially with that Coyote power under the hood. It's got the simulated knockoffs there. It's got the Wilwood brakes. The side pipes, that's where the music's coming out, and this thing makes some music with that Coyote power up front. Look inside there, just everything nice, neat, and tidy, just beautiful. The workmanship on the car is second to none. It's got the racing buckets with a 4-point harness. Got big rubber on the back. Check this out. Plenty of room in here, guys. You want to drive this thing to the golf course? Looky there. You could put a couple sets of clubs in there. Ready to go. You want to go racing and go golfing? No problem. Got the fuel fill here. That's the racing style. Look down the side of it. The body on this car is straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this Daytona Coupe. So you can bet we spend the time and check them out before we buy them. Now we've got about 235 cars in stock, and we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month. So keep a close eye on us on Facebook, YouTube, and our website, VanguardMotorsales.com. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, and I've got about 35 years of experience in the industry, and I'm going to put those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, this Factory 5 is beautiful inside. Look at this dash, man. It is so nice and neat and tidy. They did a beautiful job putting this together and designing it. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Daytona Coupe to you anywhere in the world. You just call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he'll tell you exactly how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. If you need help with financing, we got you covered there too. Now, Tom will do all the paperwork for you. You don't need to do a thing but make that phone call. Now, we'd love to have you come out and check it out in person, but we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen. We're real close to the airport. It's only about 15 minutes away, and we're open on Saturdays if you'd like to come out. Now stick with us because we're going to put it in the air so you can check out the workmanship and the engineering on the underside of the car. All right, we're underneath this Daytona Coupe now, and it is absolutely beautiful under here. You can tell she's brand new. Now this car was built at SEMA, and it was built by the Ford guys and the Factory 5 guys, and they did a beautiful job putting it together. Looky there, Factory 5 Racing. Now the suspension is looking sweet. We got coilovers holding it up, drilled and slotted rotors on the disc brakes out back. All the tin work looks sweet. The frame, man, look at this. They got braces going in every direction on this baby. Right around the 355 gear in this 8.8 rear end, and it is a posi. We got the 5-speed Tremec trans here, cast bell housing. We got a cable clutch on the thing. Everything under here is beautiful. All the wiring looks good. We've got the little shorty headers here going to the side pipes. Look like they're stainless steel. Of course, that motor is brand new from Ford Motorsports. Serpentine belt setup on it here. Aluminum radiator. It's a cross flow. Good looking tires. Of course, the suspension up front. Everything's fully adjustable and everything brand spanking new. We've got the knockoff wheels, but these are actually knockoffs of exposed the lug nuts underneath here, and the wheel actually comes off with lug nuts. And you see Wilwood brakes with drilled and slotted rotors there, and this is where the dual side pipes come out right here, and then the music's coming out over here on the other end. That's where that Coyote is going to howl right out of there. Of course, out back, we got a bunch of rubber back here. We got 315, 30, 18s out back. And check the size in the ad for the fronts. I'll get that in the ad for you. Now let's lower it down and take a look at that Coyote under the hood. All right, under the hood here, this is where the surprise is. This is a Gen 2 5-liter Coyote Power from Ford Motorsports, stuck in there by the Ford guys and the factory guys, factory 5 guys themselves. It's got a power rack on it, electric fan on that cross-flow aluminum radiator, keeping it cool. You can see the fully adjusted suspension there. You can adjust this baby any way you want, every direction. It's a brand new car, guys. It was built at SEMA. You know the Factory 5 guys brought their best to do it. The car is amazing. One of my favorite cars on the planet to drive. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.